Hi everyone, welcome back to my beauty vlogs. I hope you are doing well. So as you guys know, गणपति फेस्टिवल वीक चालू है एंड ये फेस्टिवल में लोग अपने घरों में गणपति की मूर्ति लाते हैं, उनकी पूजा एंड आरती होती है, आपके फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स आपके घर पे विजिट करते हैं, ब्लेसिंग्स लेते हैं. सो ओवरऑल एक पॉजिटिव एटमोसफियर क्रिएट होता है एंड दैट आई रियली लाइक अबाउट दिस फेस्टिवल. सो एज लाइक दैट आज मैं मेरे फ्रेंड को विजिट करने वाली हूँ गणेश जी की ब्लेसिंग्स लेने के लिए. So I'm really happy and excited about this. So I thought आप लोगों के साथ आज का वीडियो शेयर किया जाए. And girls, if you really like a simple festive makeup look, then this video is definitely for you. And in this video, I'm using very light eyeshadows and matte foundation and lipstick to create this look. So I think you really like this. But before that, if you are new on my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe me and hit the bell icon so you will get notifications of my upcoming vlogs. And without doing further delay, let's start this video. Guys, let me tell you first, I have already prepped my skin with Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer and Patanjali Aloe Vera Gel. And here as a primer, I am using this gel, and this gel is very affordable and having lots of benefit and uses. So in coming days, I am going to make a special video on this product, so stay tuned for that. To create smooth and even base for my makeup, I am using Maybelline Fit Me Liquid Matte Foundation and which is in the shade of 230 Natural Buff. Next, to conceal my under eye and highlight certain areas of my face, I am using Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I featured this concealer in my Nykaa haul video and the demo was due, so here it is. For my eyeshadow base, I will first apply concealer which is available on the palette. Then I will take shade Love Bite from my Huda Beauty palette and apply it all over my crease and the outer corner of my eyes. Now I am taking this shade Daydream from the palette and apply it on my eyelid. Next, I will pick very light shade and apply it all over my crease and blend it well. Now again I will take this Love Bite shade and slightly apply on my lower lash line. Now to set foundation in place, I am using Lakme Absolute White Intense Wet and Dry Compact. It has a SPF 25 which helps you to protect skin from the sun, and it has a special oil absorbing ingredients which helps you to absorb excess oil from your skin and giving you a matte look. Now remove to excess eyeshadow, I will again use the compact powder. For eyeliner, I am using Lakme Insta Liner in black color, and I am going to create a simple wing liner with this. Next, I am taking Colossal Volume Express Mascara from Maybelline, and I am going one layer of it on my upper and lower lashes. Now I am taking Lakme Iconic Kajal and slightly apply on my lower waterline. For my lip color, I am using Lakme 95 lipstick in the shade of Berry Base. This is a very simple festive look, so darker shade will go with it. For blush, I am using the same lipstick, and with a small amount of product, I am applying on my cheek. For highlighter, I am using Shimmer Brick from Sivana and apply on my face area that I want to highlight, like my cheekbone, nose, my cupid bow and the eyebrow. Lastly, to complete this festive makeup look, I am using a small bindi as per our culture. Then in accessories, I am wearing one casual fastback watch and one simple silver color bracelet. Then cute little silver chain with one small pendant which I bought from Shein. And lastly, this long earring which is completely suits with my outfit. Today's outfit is from Myntra. It has a lace on a hand which you can tie, and it's an orange green printed straight line kurta with a slight sleeves. So yes, finally I'm ready. And guys, let you know that all the products which I use in this video and this outfit, that all the links I will be mentioning in the description box below. So please don't forget to check the below section. So this is my simple makeup look for this Ganesh festival. And if you guys want to see my full pictures with this outfit and makeup look, then you can visit my page over Instagram and follow me over there and see my pictures. And this video is not going to end here, okay? So अगर आपको घर बैठे गणेश जी का दर्शन करना है, then please watch this video till the end, and I hope you will like it.
रांजण गावाला गावाला महागणपती नांदला चला पहाटे पहाटे देव केव्हाचा जागला शिवशंकराला टोपी त्रिपुरासुरैसा कोपी शिवशंकराला टोपी त्रिपुरासुरैसा कोपी शिवशंकराला टोपी पुत्र गणपती गणपती रणी जायाला धावला रांजण गावाला गावाला महागणपती नांदला आशिकीला गण येते चिराईला गा हा शुंडाचा शुंडाचा निसा पूजाचा शोभला राजड गावाला गावाला महागणपती नांदला चला पहाटे पहाटे देव केव्हाचा जागला.
So that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you do, then please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment on this video. We'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye bye.